Now we are going to complete some vocabulary and grammar portion from chapter number 13, Children at Work. Vocabulary. Simile. A simile is a figure of speech. और ये कब यूज़ करते हैं? और ये क्या शो करते हैं? अ कंपैरिजन इज मेड बिटवीन टू थिंग्स. दो सिमिलर थिंग्स के बीच में जो कंपैरिजन की जाती है दैट इज सिमाइली. जैसे द गर्ल फॉट अलोन एज ब्रेव एज लायन. द बॉय रन्स लाइक अ हॉर्स. A. Match the similes in column A with their meanings in column B. First, as blind as a bat. इसका मीनिंग है F. Completely unable to see. Then second, as cold as ice. A. Freezing. Third, as wise an owl. D. Full of wisdom. Fourth, eat like a bird. E. To eat very little. Fifth, like a dream. B. Wonderful. 6. To soar like an eagle. C. To fly high. Then next. Complete the sentences using suitable similes to describe Velu and Jaya. यहाँ पे बॉक्स में आपको ढेर सारे दिए हैं similes. इसमें से आपको चूज करना है. Jaya and Velu walk along the road. Jaya appeared to be as busy as a bee. मतलब वो बहुत busy थी. As she went about with her work, picking up trash and sorting through the rubbish heaps. Velu was drawn to her, like a moth to the flame, knowing that she was the only kind soul in the strange city. Velu, as innocent as lamb, did not understand the dangers lying ahead of him and how difficult life was going to be. His stomach growled and he realized that he was as hungry as a bear. मतलब वो जब बहुत भूख लगी थी and would like something to eat. Jaya picked up some food from a garbage dump. She was as cool as a cucumber. When she handed it to Velu, who unlike her looked worried about eating something from the dustbin. When Jaya, who was watching Velu like a hawk, asked him to eat what he had, he looked like a frightened rabbit, afraid of her. They walked and worked the whole day. At night, when they stopped to rest, Velu was exhausted and slept like a dog. मतलब वो बहुत गहरी नींद में सो गया. Then C. Complete the sentences using the appropriate phrasal verb in the correct tense. यहाँ पर देखिए आपको phrasal verb दिए हैं जैसे call off, call out, come across, give up, look after. First, a nurse looks after sick people. Second, I came across the article in the newspaper. Third, the match was called off because of rain. Fourth, the man called out to the vegetable vendor. Fifth, he gave up because he thought he would fail. D. Match the phrasal verb with their meaning. First, catch up with something. मतलब reach someone who is ahead. Second, dig through. It means search. Make up. Make up means decide or plan. Picking up something. G. Take or gather. Fifth, run after someone. A. Chase. 6. Stand around. D. Linger. 7. Walk off. C. Leave a place. The next exercise A. The adverbs in these sentences are in the wrong position. Rewrite the sentences using the adverb in the correct place. Make other necessary changes. First is, there goes it again. And correct sentence is, there it goes again. Velu ate hungrily the food. Velu ate the food hungrily. Third, the girl spoke to kindly him. The girl spoke kindly to him. Fourth, there was a small outside pond. Correct sentence is, there was a small pond outside. Fifth, she steadily walked down the path. And correct sentence is, she walked steadily down the path. Then 6. The suddenly book fell off the table. The book fell off the table suddenly. 7. Quickly he had to make up his mind. Correct sentence. He had to make up his mind quickly. 8. The train slowly pulled into the station. The train pulled into the station slowly. Then 9. The children loudly laughed at the clown. The children laugh loudly at the clown. मैंने यहाँ पर सेंटेंस पूरा नहीं लिखा है, ठीक है. Then 10th. They after the rain went to restaurant. Correct sentence is they went to the restaurant after the rain. Then 11th. I like to sometimes eat ice cream. Correct sentence. I like to eat ice cream sometimes. 12. Have you had lunch? Have you had lunch yet? The next B. Rewrite the sentences replacing the highlighted words and adverbs. यहाँ पर कुछ words दिए हैं, highlighted किए, उन्हें हमें replace करना है. First sentence, in silence he followed the little girl. तो ये हमें कैसे लिखना है? Silently he followed the little girl. Second, Velu ate the food with great hunger. यहाँ पर with great hunger को replace करना है हमें hungrily में. जैसे ये sentence कैसे होगा? Velu ate the food hungrily. Then he carried the bundle without a care. Without a care मतलब carelessly. He carried the bundle carelessly. 4. Velu looked at the food with distaste. Distaste मतलब disinterestingly. So the sentence is Velu looked at the food disinterestedly. Then 5th, the woman responded in a rude manner. The woman responded rudely. The previous day they went to the circus. तो previous day के लिए हमें यहाँ पर क्या यूज़ करना है? Yesterday. Yesterday they went to the circus. 7. The child knew what to find the keys all the time. All the time मतलब always. The child knew where to find the keys always. 8. In a slow manner, the birds realized they were in danger. Slowly, the birds realized they were in danger. 9. It is possible that her train is late. Possibly, her train is late. 10th. Do you meet your friends many times? Do you meet your friends usually? Then 11th. Mary refused the invitation in a polite way. Mary refused the invitation politely. Then last 12th. We cheered in a loud voice to support the team. We cheered loudly to support the team.